Ukraine is a country located in Eastern Europe, bordered by Russia to the east and northeast, Belarus to the north, Poland, Slovakia, and Hungary to the west, and Romania and Moldova to the southwest. It has a population of approximately 42 million people, making it the second largest country in Europe after Russia. The capital of Ukraine is Kyiv, which is also the country's largest city. The official language is Ukrainian, although Russian is also widely spoken. Ukraine has a rich history that dates back to the 9th century, when the state of Kievan Rus was founded. Over the centuries, Ukraine has been ruled by various empires and nations, including the Mongols, the Ottoman Empire, Poland, Lithuania, and Russia. In 1991, Ukraine declared independence from the Soviet Union, marking a new chapter in its history. Since then, Ukraine has undergone significant political, economic, and social changes. The country has faced numerous challenges, including political instability, corruption, and conflict with Russia over the annexation of Crimea and the ongoing war in eastern Ukraine. Ukraine is a diverse country with a rich cultural heritage. Its traditional arts include embroidery, pottery, weaving, and wood carving. Ukrainian cuisine features dishes like borscht, a soup made with beets and other vegetables, vareniki, dumplings filled with potato or cheese, and salo, cured pork fat. Ukraine is also known for its natural beauty, including the Carpathian Mountains in the west, the Black Sea coast in the south, and the scenic landscapes of the central and eastern regions. In recent years, Ukraine has made progress in areas like education, healthcare, and economic development. However, the country still faces significant challenges, including political instability, corruption, and ongoing conflict in the eastern regions. Despite these challenges, Ukraine remains a resilient and vibrant country with a rich cultural heritage and a bright future ahead. Ukraine has a varied geography, with several distinct regions. The western part of the country is mountainous, while the central and eastern regions are mostly flat plains. The Black Sea coast in the south is known for its sandy beaches and warm climate. The country's economy is largely based on agriculture and heavy industry. Ukraine is one of the world's largest producers of grain, sunflower seeds, and sugar beets. The country also has significant reserves of coal, iron ore, and other minerals. Ukraine has a diverse population, with Ukrainians making up the largest ethnic group. There are also significant numbers of Russians, Belarusians, and other minorities. Ukrainian Orthodox Christianity is the dominant religion, but there are also significant numbers of Catholics, Protestants, and Jews. The country has a parliamentary system of government, with a president serving as the head of state and a prime minister as the head of government. Ukraine is also divided into 24 regions, each with its own local government. The conflict in eastern Ukraine, which began in 2014, has had a significant impact on the country. The conflict erupted after Russia annexed Crimea, a Ukrainian territory, and pro-Russian separatists seized control of parts of eastern Ukraine. The conflict has led to thousands of deaths and displaced millions of people. Despite the challenges, Ukraine has made progress in recent years. The country has signed several important trade agreements with the European Union, and has implemented significant reforms aimed at improving the economy and reducing corruption. Ukraine is also known for its rich cultural traditions, including its music, literature, and folk arts. The country has produced many famous artists, writers, and musicians, including the poet Taras Shevchenko, the composer Mykola Lysenko, and the singer Ruslana. Ukraine has a well-developed education system, with a literacy rate of nearly 100%. The country has several leading universities, including the National University of Kyiv Mohyla Academy, Taras Shevchenko National University of Kyiv, and Lviv Polytechnic National University. Ukraine has a diverse and vibrant cultural scene, with many festivals and events throughout the year. Some of the most famous include the Kyiv International Film Festival, the Lviv Jazz Festival, and the Kiev Betchers Clover Festival. Ukraine is also known for its cuisine, which is a blend of Eastern European and Central Asian flavors. Some of the most popular dishes include borscht, vareniki, and pirozhki, small pies filled with meat, vegetables, or cheese. Ukrainian cuisine also features a variety of pickled vegetables, cured meats, and dairy products. In addition to its cultural attractions, Ukraine is home to several natural wonders, including the Carpathian Mountains and the Crimean Peninsula. The Carpathians are a popular destination for hiking, skiing, and other outdoor activities, while the Crimean Peninsula is known for its scenic coastline and historic landmarks. Overall, Ukraine is a country with a rich cultural heritage and a bright future. While it faces significant challenges, including ongoing conflict and political instability, the country has made progress in recent years and is poised for continued growth and development. Ukraine has a long history of producing some of the world's best athletes in a variety of sports. The country has particularly excelled in wrestling, boxing, gymnastics, and football, soccer. Ukrainian athletes have won numerous medals at the Olympic Games and other international competitions. Ukraine has a well-developed transportation system, with several major airports and a network of highways, railways, and waterways. The country also has a growing IT industry, with many Ukrainian firms specializing in software development, cybersecurity, and other high-tech fields. Ukraine is a member of several international organizations, including the United Nations, the World Trade Organization, and the Council of Europe. The country also maintains close ties with the European Union and the United States, although relations with Russia remain tense. Despite the challenges facing the country, Ukraine has a rich and dynamic culture, with a strong sense of national identity. Ukrainian music, dance, and art have a long and rich history, and are still an important part of the country's cultural life. One of the most iconic symbols of Ukraine is the golden-domed St. Sophia Cathedral in Kyiv, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Other notable landmarks include the Kyiv Petrus Lavra, a complex of monasteries and churches that dates back to the 11th century, and the Potemkin Stairs in the city of Odessa. Ukraine also has a rich literary tradition, with many famous writers and poets. The poet Taras Shevchenko is considered a national hero and his works are revered in Ukraine and beyond. Other notable Ukrainian writers include Nikolai Gogol, Ivan Franko, and Lesya Ukrainka. Ukraine is also home to several unique cultural traditions, such as the ancient art of pisanki, decorated Easter eggs, and the folk music and dance traditions of the Hutzils, a group of people who live in the Carpathian Mountains. Ukraine has a rich tradition of folk medicine, including the use of herbs, honey, and other natural remedies to treat a variety of ailments. Traditional healers, known as babas, are still respected and sought after in many rural communities. Ukraine is a country with a diverse population, with people from various ethnic and cultural backgrounds living together. The majority of Ukrainians are ethnic Ukrainians, but there are also significant minorities of Russians, Belarusians, and Crimean Tatars, among others. Ukraine has a complex political landscape, with various political parties and movements vying for power. The country has experienced political turmoil in recent years, with the Euromaidan protests in 2013 to 2014 leading to the overthrow of the government and the annexation of Crimea by Russia in 2014. Since then, Ukraine has been engaged in a conflict with Russian-backed separatists in the eastern regions of Donetsk and Luhansk. The conflict has resulted in the deaths of thousands of people and has displaced over 1 million others. Despite these challenges, Ukraine has made progress in recent years in areas such as economic reform, anti-corruption efforts, and democratic development. The country has also received significant support from the international community, including financial assistance from the International Monetary Fund and military aid from Western countries. Ukraine has a diverse economy with a mix of industries, including agriculture, manufacturing, and services. The country is one of the world's largest exporters of grains, particularly wheat and corn. Other important exports include steel, machinery, and chemicals. In recent years, Ukraine has been working to modernize its economy and attract foreign investment. The government has implemented a series of economic reforms aimed at improving the business climate, reducing corruption, and increasing transparency. Ukraine is also home to a thriving tech industry, with many Ukrainian firms specializing in software development, cybersecurity, and other high-tech fields. The country has a large pool of skilled IT professionals and has been working to position itself as a hub for IT outsourcing and innovation. In terms of tourism, Ukraine has a lot to offer visitors, including historic landmarks, natural attractions, and cultural events. The country's vibrant cities, including Kyiv, Lviv, and Odessa, are popular destinations for tourists, as are the Carpathian Mountains and the Crimean Peninsula.